Hey, all I ever needed was your company, girl. I'm tired of rolling this shit alone. Yeah, all I'm ever seeing is love from non-believers. I'm tired of going through shit alone. Yeah.
Ayo, what it is, beautiful people. Welcome back to it. I'm your host with the most mpanakasianda, Mr. Mbata. Abafokazane betiyanga mahlahla, amahlahla tiyanga enkomo. Ngisho yena mthiyo indaba ezithimpe. Of course,
Yeah, guys, this is Kevin God Smith, your most with the host. And yes, you heard that right, your most with the host.
Oh, yeah.
This is Thunder Man, son of the wave, you ever on a drown off this wave.
Oh, yeah.
And today we've been invited by the incidentally biased Ekasi squad to come and commemorate one of our heroes in South Africa called Chris Hani, guys. You know that guy, right? You know that guy, right?
Of course,
So do come and join this day with us and come and have fun with us. I know it looks weird, but you know what? We're in the streets of Duduza.
Yep.
Yes,
No,
yes.
in the streets commemorating Chris Hani, of course. And I like what they did, you know,
Yes, yes,
just
yes.
to commemorate, because I don't think a lot of young people are really aware of the kind of contributions like Abu Chris Hani had.
That's true.
In
That's true.
the,
That's true.
The South Africa we live in now. So it really is amazing. The dream is here.
Obviously.
What? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, sorry.
Oh shit.
Words.
Exactly.
Of course.
Get a load of this.
Everything is here. So Skogo, KPC, Skipper, even those Russian furry hats.
Exactly. So don't get cold this winter, guys.
Exactly. Well, I know we always say this.
At the end of the day.
Yeah.
That's the confusion.
Exactly.
Like, yes, man, and then my band, you're like, what?
Oh my
So
God,
cold.
Gavanda. It's umsebenzi winter, guys. Ubanda.
No shit, Sherlock. Of course. Yo. So no, man, yeah, guys, please stay tuned. Of course, there's gonna be what? Apparently, what's on the table, Tanda? What Konani?
There's a lot that's going on today. There's going to be performances.
Yo.
You might see one of your girlies, not saying who, on the stage.
Oh, yeah.
There's going to be the Kingsmen are going to be performing
Yes.
today. We're going to have Miyagi. You guys know Miyagi.
Yes,
We're going to have a whole lot more. If you guys remember Coolest Kid Drip, they're coming on later.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
quite a lot going on. Rabbit
Oh,
Gang, Pusha
that's a lot.
Panda.
Yo,
You know the vibes. You know the vibes. So do stay tuned in if you want to see all of that. All of these, Michael. All of these.
Oh, damn. Hey, so you all heard that right, guys. Please continue to share, like, subscribe, tell your friend to tell their friend. And please, if you're around Nizeni, out here, talent in the buyer,
yes.
as always. Angazi yabe bangekho vele kule last time. Bazosala futhi na kule.
Ungasali, nange 27 April it's happening again. Do make sure that you come and show off your talent, okay? Uyacula, uyarapper, uyactor. As long as une talent, awuzositshengisa talent
Now
lakho.
that you mention it, I just remembered konje nange 20 we are going for a launch.
Yes. The Joburg Confectionery is having a launch, guys. Right across the street.
Front opposite. I was to be just jump straight.
Just the other side. Yes.
Definitely they gotta stay tuned for that, right?
Oh,
Definitely. Do stay tuned and see what goes on, okay? Spend this day with us, guys.
Oh yes. Let's get it.
Bye
Stay
for
tuned for
now.
more, y'all. Sibonge.
The suppression use of marijuana.
Hey yo, what it is, beautiful
What up,
people,
what
we're
up?
back at it. At the Chris Honey commemoration, hashtag
yes.
Talent Elipaya Ekasi. Of
Oh,
course,
yes.
in Peter Bafana became Izinja Zeposa, Umfana Kasianda Mr. Mbata, Abafogazane Betianga Matata, Amatata Tiangengo, Gisho Namtinda Bezitimpe, Lang Pitinoba.
Boo! Yeah, man, you got Kevin Carl Smith, you're most with the host, and yes, you heard that right. You're most with the host, and who
Ah,
else we
yeah,
with,
yeah.
man?
Oh, yes.
We with the
No,
guy,
I want like us, so you've got a culture name. Gotta give yourself a young intro, Vela, one year with Vela. Nethakazelo sisifuna siphelele vele sisifuna siphelele usitsho ukuthi ngubani
Kusema chance.
Oh, yeah, wait.
Thanks for the opportunity.
No, you know.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah.
Tobang Humbly Square.
Ah,
Tutuza.
nice.
We're trying to make this tobacco thing.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
look at
hey.
this. It's crazy. It's crazy. Never them. Usantu santu. Amaraba. Now amatayera ya tepu. Oh. Ah, shit.
Hey.
Thina mzuzu lo
Ayakhandla.
sahlulwa imoto nyana sahlulwa iGia Picanto la miyasifaka masebhizi ngene gerine wrong.
Yes,
Look
Lord.
at these guys what they doing.
the fuck?
Yo, bro. Yes, yes. Yo. Shit. Damn it, look at that. Oh my word. Yes. Yeah, no, in bed live. It's for the couch. It's for the couch. It's for the couch. It's for the couch. Shit. Ah, damn. It's for the couch. It's for the couch. It's for
Alright.
the couch. So Tabanga was jail again. Damn. Whoa, that was a way to get into the show. Oh my word. What a way to get into the show.
Yeah, what a
Shit.
way to start,
Hey,
man.
Joe. So
I think-
Tabanga, how are you doing, my chief? How's
Nah,
everything
check.
so far? How's the event, man?
I'm thankful for the opportunity.
Ah,
Thank you so
yes,
much.
yes.
Means a lot, Machensi. Otherwise, Tutabang from Humbly Square, Machensi.
Perfect,
We're
yeah.
one of the tobacco distributors. We
Okay.
sell and you hire tobacco products.
Oh,
Okay.
nice,
Tobacco
nice.
is a niche product, and
Yeah.
black people have not entered into that market.
Yo,
so we are
Velo
trying to
Evans.
get in that market, not
Yeah.
just at Tutuza, but trying to ensure that every township has a Humbly Square.
Exactly.
Damn, yeah.
exactly.
Tobacco, vape, whether you need a Humbly, whether you need pipes, or you need replacement pipes, it's in a score.
Also, it's
Oh, hell
not
yeah.
just based on Hubblies only.
Not
There's
just
other
it's a tobacco
varieties.
distribution
Okay,
thing. So
okay.
what we're looking at, guys, vapes are getting introduced in the township.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
best do we now introduce the culture?
Yes,
Smoking has
yes,
moved from
yes,
just
yes.
being taboo to being a lifestyle.
Yeah,
So we're
yeah.
not just selling; we're creating a lifestyle.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice, nice,
So
nice.
you guys
Yo,
are planning?
yo.
Are you guys planning on creating a cigarette brand? Like,
It sounds
Rolling out
like
cigarettes.
ngathi vele.
So-
Yeah, got my alcohol.
Yeah,
Makes
so
sense.
the nice thing is,
Hey.
Bafetu, if you go to 8716 Tutula Street, we have
Yeah.
a shop there. So
Oh,
that's one
okay.
of our concept stores. People come there,
Nice.
they buy, they chill. We also sell food. So hence why we're trying to
Oh,
move
okay,
smoking
okay.
to just being to a lifestyle.
yes.
Yeah, my chance.
Hayi ngoba vele ngiyakhumbula maskula thina smoking was some other thing. But
Nigga,
when uyabhema.
Inyaube.
Sathane,
Into kasathane ubhema.
Hey, babona
into
into
kasathane.
engaga.
Yo,
Says
so
this is
no manje
drugs.
We need to so what we're doing is if also you follow us on our social pages,
Yeah.
we're trying to educate people. Look, there are nicotine flavors, there are herbal flavors. To ensure that people are knowledgeable about what they're smoking. Also trying to reach out to Lamatabatala with Bangasat. Hey, why are
Exactly.
Because now, all the people are like, when they see this, like, hey, lata. Hey, lata.
And the outlet, I wanted that video. That glow up a little special and have the
we need to teach people about these things. One, you can't smoke this one. Secondly, you can't put drugs into this. It's a recreation. If you go back to other countries, we find with and the casualty that happened, you need to go back and find out what led to that. So hence why we are here to know what. Go to our social pages. We always try to give reviews with Buffett. Smoke this. How do you smoke it? How do you ensure that it's also safe for you?
How it happens.
That's good.
So because I was wondering, should at least if I don't know, almost lentally, melekala we
Otherwise, you're gonna end up in hospital.
Exactly.
Like Mr. What? Usikambiza ngobani lo ya? Mr. Dave.
Mr. Dave.
Mr. Babe, exactly.
You know what, one thing I want to say, thank you so much for giving us a platform. Tobacco is not always advertised and it's not always taught to people. So one thing we need to caution, under 18 asikfuni la. Under 18 cannot allow that. Please, if you're watching this, you're under 18, stay away from this. Stay away from this.
Stay in school, brother.
Any other tobacco products? Next, my champ.
True that.
Stay in school rather, man.
Exactly, because nyabona vele abantwana bamanje vele uthole basijahele izinto. But now I wonder ukuthi these people that are selling it to them,
they don't care. They don't care.
Like kwenzakalani.
They don't care. Look,
yo, dude.
You know what?
At least we have someone Sabang does actually take him to. He's not supposed to. Actually warning the kids not to come here.
Not supposed to.
Exactly.
Unfortunately, some shops don't take the legislation says they're not allowed to sell to under 18s. Unfortunately, there are certain people who can get it access, but let us also ensure with let them be over 18 so they can consent because their health at the end of the day. Profits, yes, but at the end of the day, life is more important.
It's important. Life is important. More than profits.
Hence why by the time it's 18, that person is knowledgeable. Good time, man. And why am I using it? It's not just an escape. It needs to be used being freely trying to enjoy.
Not even.
Just for the clouds or whatever it is that they call.
So Tawang, what happened? Like, was it decided? Like, I want to start a Habli shop, or I want to be like in Habli, like in tobacco rather. Let me tobacco.
So what happened is 2019. I'm in a particular club. I'm like, how? Why don't we have this in our townships? So I'm like, no, this is a niche. So what we're doing is, right now, fortunately, we've managed to employ 4 people. So 4 people are eating because now they go to particular clubs and they can hire these things out. So I was like, no, why don't you bring it closer and also invite other people to start their own thing? So we're not trying to now monopolize the whole thing. If you come up and say, we try to teach you, how can you make money from this? So I was also thinking, man, it's not just the business. How can I also build other people? That's the main point of the whole business.
At the end of the day, just to focus on that.
And one thing, we are not involved in that niche. Currently in South Africa, it's British tobacco. We need to have a footprint there, Bafethu.
And no, we don't.
South African
footprint.
If you look at other cigarettes, vapes, all of them are not from here. So how can we not now start our own thing? Sitting
Exactly.
It's not our own thing. So we just need to now mobilize other people, use your platform to say, Bafethu, look, there is an opportunity, it's a niche.
Exactly. They've got to do it, man. It's a niche just to learn.
You got it.
So before we close it off, I'm sure yes, abantu come on now. What is this? Where's he? Give me the manager. What is this?
What the fuck is going on now?
So Stella, where can the people find you guys apart from like the address Jongo Bushido on the socials? Where can we find you?
On socials, you go to Instagram at Habli Square, TikTok at Habli Square, and if you go to Facebook at Habli Square, you can find us there.
That's very nice. That's very
WhatsApp
simple.
083 729 36 0723. We don't just sell. We try to try to educate you about the products that we have in store. So it's vapes, your edibles as well. It's a new niche. Trying to enter into that.
Nice.
That's ngamhluphi umntana abantu nimfoneleni masenifuna into eziserious ngamhluphi umntana abantu exactly. So before we close it off, I just want to ask you, since we're commemorating Chris Hani, what is Chris Hani to you?
Look, apart from the fact that Chris Hani is an icon, but he was the first person to say, you know what, we need to change as not just our adults, but also young adults. So for me, he symbolizes change. Right now we're here, we're commemorating him. And my thing is, I'm happy that the youth is becoming aware. Look, spinning a car special I'm a gangster. But now they've made it to a motorsport to say, you know what, those are some of the changes that Chris Hani came and said, you know what, how best do we now make the youth involved in changing the demographics of the country's politics?
Simple as that.
Man, I love how you waited that, bro.
Man, that's it from our side. Please do stay tuned for more. As Nibona Nani, more car spinnings, more music,
Trouble from
more culture, right here at the musical excursion. This is Mfana Kasianda, Mr. Mbata, Abafokazane Betianga Matata, Amatata Tiangenkom. Gisho Tina busy Timpena.
Kevin Carl Smith, your most with the host. And yes, you heard that right, your most with the host. We are out here.
Hey yo, what it is, everybody? Welcome back to it, man, at the Chris Hani Memorial, or Chris Hani commemoration, rather. Yes, of course. Out here with Mfana Kasianda, Mr. Mbata, Abafokazane Betianga Matata Tiangenkom. Gisho Tina busy Timpe.
And this is Tando Mash, Tando the Wave. You can fuck around and drown up this way. Do you know what we have here? You've been seeing cars spinning around. You saw the streets, there's marks on it.
There's skid marks all over the road now.
Hey, Troubles, how you doing? How you doing?
All good. Always all good.
All right. Here's my question, right? How do you even start spinning?
Great. Hey, that's a good
take
question.
Me way back. I don't think we have much time for all of those. But spinning is really, I'm really passionate about it.
I could see how happy you are inside the car.
Yeah. You see that smile and that?
Hey, is that adrenaline rush, eh?
Right.
So what do I step on? What do I let go? How do I make the car drift like that?
Yeah, right. Basics. The clutch, obviously, clutch control, the accelerator pedal. The normal driving, obviously, you have to be much quicker now.
Of course. Of course.
But clutch, brakes, not brakes really, because you don't want to slow down. You know,
Exactly.
So that's how it is, spinning, brake, acceleration.
Okay, nice. And where does the name Troubles come from? Like, I mean, of all the names, maybe you see like alcohol. If I was a spinner, my name would be Spinza. Comedy, but out here, got Spinza. Yeah. So where does Troubles come from? Why Troubles?
You know, Troubles started, actually, there was a guy called Rogan, which introduced me to spinning.
Yeah.
He had a car named Troubles.
Troubles, give them.
Mirror, who the baddest? No one left it to compete, cause I'm the savage. Hey, tell me, is it savage? They send out Winnie, I just pulled up with a bad bitch.
Boy, style, bring the scissors, let me crush up. Bring a spliff and bring a chick and let me holla. Ish, Donne Zami skippy number. Donne Zami be the hottest city in summer. Ish, I used to dream about the fame, dog. Funny now, yeah, all I think about is the numbers. Ish, I used to dream about the fame, dog. Funny now, yeah, all I think about is the paper. Ish.
Look at what I
day. Fagi action gule drama ngchinchi script. Keep wins ang fagi sama ngale hit. Keep patient in a kitlo faga drip. Lay my chain no 0 degrees. Drop a name donna, I'm with the feet. Drop some bars on them, unleash the beast. I'm smooth as grease.
Mirror, mirror, who the baddest? No one left it to compete, cause I'm the savage. Ay, tell me, is it savage? They send out Winnie, I just put up with a bad.
Nataka cherry beta tipati Kafule jeti tila fata gari drinks Auna sofichi lady mpona tako east Ekaga face breaker ina mela beat
Yeah, ngadinga itaxi ngathatha ngigibele beat for a change Lengomi yenza umntana ofasi abe loose for some change Life's good, like I traded a lose for a gain 4 or 5 chicks engibaphe misi lose for the pain Izinja zami masses loose, hard to tame Who run the game? Batman bruise like I'm Wayne Cruise lane to lane Tell me who run the game, you claim you buzzing, that's your baba magagdutsa ngefade, ayy Look at what I did Fagi action gule drama ngchinchi script Keep wins ang fagi sama ngale hit Keep patient in a kitlo faga drip Lay my chain no 0 degrees Drop a name donna, I'm with the feet Drop some bars on them, unleash the beast I'm smooth as grease
Mirror, mirror, who the baddest? No one left it to compete, cause I'm the savage. Ay, tell me, is it savage? They send out Winnie, I just put up with a bad.
Nataka cherry beta tipati Kafule jeti tila fata gari drinks Auna sofichi lady mpona tako east Ekaga face breaker ina mela beat
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Kevin Carl Smith, your most with the host. And yes, you heard that right, your most with the host. I'm chilling here with.
Yeah. It's your boy Awuti Stopper, well known as Tamam Kize.
What?
I'm the ambassador of the dream.
Oh,
Shoot.
yeah. Please say your nickname again.
Awuti Stopper.
The Stopper.
Yes, me.
Oh, yes. I'm chilling here with the Stopper, man. So, man, please take me through your trip, man. What are you wearing? What's on your head? Damn, man, you looking dapper as fuck.
Okay. As an ambassador of the dream, I'm wearing my own cap.
Oh, yeah.
You can never find it anywhere. This is my cap.
What's here?
It's the dream. Yeah, it's the dream, guys.
You read that.
Yeah,
It's the
it's
dream.
the dream, guys.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing a balaclava for the dream.
Oh, yeah.
I'm wearing a hoodie for the dream. Even a customized t-shirt.
Is there something underneath?
Yeah.
No, please.
At
Get
the
up and
back.
show the camera what you. Yeah.
Okay,
on the
okay.
back, yeah. Hold on. Can you read that? Oh yes. The whole thing. Can you see that, Mr. Director? You see that? Huh? Off the crowd. Man, I'm loving it. And you said you're wearing something underneath. What are you wearing?
Well, underneath I'm wearing my own customized t-shirt.
What is that?
Can
we see it?
You wanna see it?
Yeah. Everyone knows it. You wanna see it, right? Yeah. Oh shit. Nudity. No, hey. Not that one. Oh shit. Okay. Look at that. What's that? Stopper the Dream Worldwide. Oh shit. Oh! Now that's what I'm talking about. So okay. And your trousers, man?
Oh, my trousers are bought from Sidestep. It's Nike.
Nike from Sidestep, man. Oh, we have a lot to talk about, bro. I'm loving your sneakers, and I told him this off camera. I love the sneakers. Take us through that. What are you wearing underneath? Do you have a B-roll? The sneakers. We're gonna get the sneakers on camera. Oh shit! Unfortunately, but he's wearing a Nike sneaker.
It's
very dapper.
Yeah, it's an up-tempo sneakers.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I love it, man. Yo. So yeah, it's me, Kevin Carl Smith, your most with the host, and yes, you heard that right, your most with the host, and
I'm with the stopper.
The Stopper, and we signing out.
Peace out.
Hey everybody, what is up? It's still Tando Match, Tando the Wave. You can fuck around and try out of this wave. And we're still right here at the Chris Honey commemoration as a courtesy of Italian Delibaya Ekasi.
Yep.
Right next to me, I've got one of the spinners, one of the men of the day, right?
The
One of
streets
the
have
men who
skid
has
marks
entertained all day.
because
The
of me.
reason for the paint on one
Yeah.
of our cameras,
Yeah.
right? Hey, can you
Zach.
please introduce yourself for me, please?
What's up, people? I'm Vicharo
It's true.
from
it's
Nigel,
true.
all the way, yeah.
Ah,
Just love
nice,
spinning.
nice.
Please look at how calm this man is, but the rau he's causing on
Yo,
the
he
streets is
caused the
insane.
rau. Yo, he
It's
caused the
insane,
rau.
it's insane.
Exactly.
So this guy is from Nigel, right? And I wouldn't associate Nigel with car spinning. You can hear it in the background. You can hear it in the
Just
background.
crazy. It's just
I wouldn't associate spinning with Nigel.
Yeah,
How do
yeah.
you start spinning cars as
Yo.
someone from Nigel?
You know, many years ago, spinning started in Nigel, and I was a spectator, and I said to myself, I want to get involved in the sport.
Whoa.
Because there were the likes of Jeff and Feya and Eric Maswaya was spinning in Nigel. And it's about 20 years now that I've been involved in spinning.
20 years. That's a long time. That's a long time. So can you please take us through your first time spinning a car? How old were you? What was the feeling? What was going on in your head?
I can't remember the exact age, but I can remember the day I stole my father's car, and that's where it started.
What car did your father drive?
A Nissan Sentra.
Oh,
You
damn.
spun a Sentra.
Yeah.
That's insane. That is so
That's when you know it's
insane.
in the blood. That's when you know it's definitely in the
So
blood.
out of the cars, all of the cars that you've used to spin, what's your favorite car to spin with?
Kusheshe, Baba.
I expected
sure,
that.
it's
325
sure.
with Tembala Makumo.
Of course, definitely. So where can we find you? Speaking of, like, if let's say we wanna find you. Hey, yeah. So I'm not sure. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. So where can we find you? Like, if we wanna book you or we wanna see you when you spin, or where can we find you?
Socials, you know, Insta, Facebook,
Okay.
yeah. all-
Nice. And any upcoming events? Any?
Yeah, there's a big one coming up, 28th of April in
Yeah.
Poch.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay, nice.
27
nice.
actually.
Oh, okay,
And
okay,
then
okay.
28th in Guatemala.
Yeah. Ah, nice. Yo, so how many years have you been spending actually?
It's well over 20 years now.
Damn. Yo, I talk about
20 years, that's a
Exactly.
long time to be spinning cars. Hey. So do
Yo,
you think it's
exactly,
something that you'll ever like retire from, or it's just something you'll do for life?
Before I was doing it for income.
Oh,
Because
okay,
there's
yeah.
a lot of money in spinning.
Is
And
it?
I started my workshop. I got 2 workshops.
Oh,
so
nice.
now it's purely for advertisement and for fun.
So in the workshops, do you like custom make cars or repair?
Yes.
So
yes,
everything.
yes. Everything.
Ah,
So do you-
nice,
Mechanic to
nice.
spray painting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do you teach people how to spin? Because I'd love to know how to spin.
Actually,
eh? I'd love to.
that's a
I'd
good
love to.
question.
You know the first one. I think there's about 100 people asking
Of
me.
course.
Yeah,
Of
we wanna
course.
let even us. We wanna paint the streets.
Even me, I wanna
Even us.
spin.
Oh, who got do why not?
No, what's the main thing? Time.
Oh, okay, yeah. Just
I
have
just
time.
squeeze my work in a day, and then there's family time also.
Ah,
Of course.
yeah,
Oh, you're a
course.
family man.
Yeah, I'm a
Of
family
course,
man.
of course. Yeah. Got to how.
All right, before we wrap it up, I'd just like to know, right? What sort of words of encouragement do you have for the youth? Because basically this is for the youth, right?
Seeing as
So
it's-
what sort of words of encouragement do you
Yeah.
have to our youth?
And also, just to add on that question, seeing as we commemorating Chris Honey, you can just also tell us who Chris Honey is to you, actually. You can just tell us who Chris Honey is to you, actually.
He's a legend, you know. He's the one who paved the way for us.
Of course, of
where
course.
we are today, you know.
Of course.
Yeah.
And my word for the young people is stay focused. Finish
Yeah.
school,
Yeah.
get something on your name, and then you can
Definitely.
get involved in motorsport. Motorsport is fun, but also dangerous and very expensive.
Hey, yeah, definitely,
Yeah,
especially
that's
with
true.
the tires. I mean, every time, how many times? I mean, today alone, how many tires have you had to change?
Exactly.
Yo. So it's
So can I ask,
definitely-
right? Earlier on, I saw somebody getting bumped by a car because they were in the street, right?
Yeah.
How often does that happen?
This was like once in a year, eh?
Really?
It was just that one weird
Yeah,
one.
because,
Just that
you know,
one weird one.
we usually do it in a controlled environment.
Yeah.
Always barriers and all that things.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
those people intend to run to the car and it
Hey,
becomes very
yeah, too much excitement.
Yeah,
Too much excitement gets to them. Ah,
But you know, the
damn.
sport is safe. No one has ever died of spinning.
Yeah,
No one.
definitely,
That's amazing, that's
definitely
amazing.
not.
And I
So
love it with
when
my
you
whole
have
heart.
like a setup
Yeah.
like this, it's not a controlled environment. Do you have to practice first, or is it just you just know how to do it
I
already?
even saw there was this one time you were even spinning in between Avanzas and stuff. I'm
Hey,
like, what the
he was
fuck?
making
This
an
guy
infinity right
making
there.
infinities out there. Is Infinity War is Thanos up in
Yeah,
here.
it comes with a lot of years of experience.
Of course, 20 years is no
actually.
joke.
Yeah,
20
definitely,
years is no
definitely.
joke.
Yo, that's some cum laude of spinning. That's what I
Hey.
say. It's a cum laude
Hey.
of spinning.
Yeah, it's only for the brave. Huh?
Exactly,
Of
exactly.
course.
Shoot, nice. So I'm seeing, I've noticed most of like the cars which are here, they've got like specific stickers. I think also you as well. It has a. So what is the meaning of that? Is it like some type of? Are you guys a crew with like the same sticker or?
Look, the stickers on my car is my shop.
Oh,
One is my
okay,
shop.
okay,
Number
okay.
2, I'm sponsored by the tire shop in Nigel, Main Tires.
Oh, okay,
So they
okay,
sponsor me
nice.
the shop.
Yeah.
And then the third sticker is also a show that's coming up in Alberton, Wheels and Smoke.
Oh, okay,
Enzo and Mano's
nice.
birthday based on the 6th of July. It's also going to be a
Sure.
big one.
You know, I was sitting
okay,
there
yeah.
thinking they actually have to buy these tires. I had to buy
Yeah.
tires like last year in December, and I
Yo.
thought these are expensive.
And imagine for
these
them
guys
to
are just changing tires
like
like,
it's
nothing.
nobody's business. I've got an eye. I've got a tire here in my eye somewhere. It's like nobody's business. Like
Yeah,
yo.
we get sponsored for them.
Oh, okay,
all right,
nice,
all right.
nice,
You know what?
nice.
Thank you so much for agreeing to do this
Yo,
interview with
yes,
us. Best
yes.
of luck to you.
Thank you
Thank you so
guys.
much, thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
for the opportunity. I appreciate it.
No,
Thank
of
you
course,
so
and
much.
thank you for entertaining us. You know,
Oh,
it's time to say
thank
thank
you.
you for
With all the
entertaining
love.
us. You know, just taking us out there, seeing some new things. You know,
Yeah.
it's rare for us to. Well, it's rare for me to see these things here. So at least you know, it's really amazing getting to see you guys actually do what you love, and yo, it really is amazing. All the best of luck to
I
you,
appreciate
man.
it. Thank you, sir.
Definitely.
Appreciate it.
Ah,
right.
lovely,
Wonderful.
lovely, lovely.
And from me, Tando Match, Tando the Wave, you can fuck around and try out
Off
this
this
wave. We
no.
out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, what now? We're going Nandi. Oh, yes, what now? We're going Nandi.
Chobi, 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 chobi. Oh yeah, nampana kasiyana Mr. Mbatha. Abafokazana bethiya ngamahlahla, amahlahla thiya ngenkomo. Ngisho yena umthina bezithi impela.
And from your
Nuba.
girl, Tando Match, Tando the Wave, you can fuck around and try out
Up this way.
Frozen strawberries.
And damn. It's been beautiful, eh? What can we say? What we
wow.
can say? What we can say?
Yes,
eh?
I'm Nandi, but never mind.
Yo.
God, let me tell you, this
Okay,
was
I'm none.
Liddy AF,
Right.
right?
Yo.
This was very, very,
Yo,
very
yo.
Hey,
Yo,
hey,
Joe.
hey.
Nabethi be there or be told. Bakhuluma ngalamhlanje.
Sasa
They're gonna be
celebrator
told.
uKhrizani. So here's what I was saying. I was
Impela.
looking at the painting on the side,
Yeah,
and I'm thinking to myself, I want that to be me
actually.
while
man.
I'm still alive.
Issue. No, I think kusesekhona la somewhere ngithola lapha studio singafaka lapha ebondweni abo
Ngicela
just.
ukuthi nje nibeke
Yeah.
uthando.
Yeah.
Billboard yonke indawo. South Africa yonke jikelele. Umhlaba wonke jikelele. Bengicela ukuthi sibekele kuso.
Everywhere. Yo. So guys, what was your highlights about today? What
For
happened
me,
in Ash?
the
Yeah.
spinning. The thing is, I was scared,
Yeah.
but I loved it so much.
Yo, the spinning
The
was
spinning.
crazy. And like namaye nyazizwa ngathi ngenwa na ikhanda and like maye nyezwa.
Do you know what's another highlight?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tando. Yeah, Ghost Lady.
Hey,
Yeah, podcast. Yeah, Tando. Yeah, Tando. That is the highlight for me.
Actually. Yo, Damon Cave, what was it for you, man? Who came ngathi ngimbonanga la namhlanje? Wena wakuphi umthetho wakho? Lo yanyamalala wena. Where the fuck you been, man?
Okay, that just happened.
Yeah, that just happened.
Somebody needs to stop. Okay, anyway.
Well, shit. And Marimbela, I guess, yeah, that's how you know what I say. That's how you know we're knocking off. Gotta close it on a high note. Sicale spin imoto. Meli pele kunedrama nyana. Something nyana must can happen. Quick, fast, in the hurry. Hopefully the system is good though, but I think it's good.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. So yeah, Shem Jong for me, my highlights. I think it. Oh, wena bosasho.
Ungamvali omunye umntwana.
Oh, yasenyamvala. And ngiqeda ukumsukela manje ngithi akasebenze nanakho nyamvalela umsebenzi la. Yeah, we want them videos. Ahana kunjani impela. You, dude. Yeah.
Definitely.
Dog.
Also, people from Duduza came out in numbers.
Yeah.
I just want to say this. Let's make sure the next one happens. Everybody in the East End is here.
Definitely. Because the next one is when on the 27th. No, on the 27th. On the 27th.
Yes, on the 27th of April, we're having Italentally Baya Ekasi 3.0 right here in Nala at the old taxi rank at Duduza. Don't miss this one, okay?
Of course, Huawei. Good in Bauer Mixter. Last time.
You have to be there.
Exactly.
You had to be here today.
And then they miss out Naguleala Mshanje.
You can't.
What?
You can't.
Yo, that would be crazy. That would be crazy. Yo, guys. Yo.
So you really do have to be there. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We love to hear from you. Tell us what you'd like to see from us. And we'll definitely deliver to you if it's within our. But yeah. This is Tando Man.
Okay. Fuck me for wondering what my highlight was. Okay, screw me. I didn't have a highlight. Not at all.
Yes, screw you. This is Tando Man. Tando the wave. You can fuck around the drum. Say fala.
Guys, it's in Chilean gaming. My highlight for me has to have been the painting. Just the painting.
It's so beautiful. Have you seen the completed product?
I haven't.
You guys have to go there. I've just been there. It's very, very beautiful.
Yes,
Hashtag 30 years of democracy. Hashtag 60 years of Duduza.
Hashtag About Melody Podcast.
Hashtag musical excursion. Hashtag spoiler at the party. Hashtag.
Yeah.
Hashtag.
Oh yeah.
Hashtag.
Umfana kaSiyanda Mr. Mbatha. Abafokazana bethenga amahlahla thenga enkomo. Ngishona umthina bezithi impela.
And from me, Tando Man, Tando the wave, you gonna fuck around and drown
of this wave. Umzulu Tando. Oh, Tando Zulu. Ngathi you got lost in your sauce when.
I didn't.
Tando Mesh,
this is Tando Mesh, Tando the wave, you can fuck around and try. That little vibe.
It sounds like an African spot, yeah. But the 80 blow for nonce.
Man, and the deep
Okay guys, that's it from my side. Bye y'all.